Good evening viewers, this is Rahmawati reporting latest news from Global Insight News TV. Live with the latest update on a natural disaster from East Flores, East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. A major volcanic eruption has occurred this afternoon. News report volcano eruption of Mount Lewotobi laki-laki. Mount Lewotobi laki-laki erupted today, Tuesday, June 17, 2025 at 5:35 p.m. Central Indonesia Time (WATA). The Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation (VMBG) reported that the eruption produced an ash column rising approximately 10,000 meters above the peak, reaching about 1,584 meters above sea level. Mount Lewotobi laki-laki is located in East Flores Regency, East Nusa Tenggara, with geographical coordinates at latitude means 8.538 latitude and longitude 122.7682 latitude, and it stands at 1,584 meters above sea level. According to Johannes Colli Soryutun, the officer at the Volcano Observation Post, the eruption emitted gray ash clouds that disappeared in all directions: north, northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. At the time of the report, the eruption was still ongoing. Johannes urged residents and visitors to avoid all activities within a 2-kilometer radius from the eruption center and within 3 kilometers in the north-northeast direction and 5 kilometers in the northeast sector. He also advised the public to remain calm, follow the instruction from local authorities, and avoid circulating or believing in false information. Additionally, he warned our surrounding communities to stay alert for possible high floods in the rivers flowing from the mountain summit, especially during heavy rainfall. Those affected by volcanic asphalt were also urged to wear masks or cover their nose and mouth to protect their respiratory system from volcanic dust. Current status: according to Muhammad Muhari, VMBG has raised the alert level of Mount Lewotobi laki-laki from level 3 siaga to level 4 awas. The highest alert status. Several areas are considered at risk of lahar floods, including Duli Pali, Padang Pasir, Nobo, Nurabelen, Kaltandro, Hokeng Jaya, Boru, and Nawakote. Visual reports from various field sources confirmed the eruption was accompanied by pyroclastic flows and massive ash column reaching more than 11 km high. Conditions around the volcano remain very difficult to access due to darkness, ash rain, and falling gravel. At the Mount Lewotobi laki-laki, monitoring was in Pululera village, which is located 7 kilometers from the crater. Reports that there was rainfall of small rock and pebbles. Seismic monitoring equipment continues to detect tremors, indicating the volcanic activity is still ongoing. We will continue to follow this development story and bring you more updates as soon as they become available. Until then, stay safe and informed. Reporting for Global Insight News TV, I'm Rahmawati. Good night and see you next time.